Actions Logistics proudly welcomes you to another exciting video. We are a freight forwarder located in Port Klang, Malaysia. Welcome to another episode of Adrian the Logistician. Today, we have City, an ambitious exporter, facing the challenge of selecting the perfect shipping container. Don't worry, City, I'm here to help you navigate the world of shipping containers step by step. Let's start with the basics. Shipping container are standardized, large metal boxes used for transporting goods across the globe. They come in various sizes and types to suit different cargo requirements. To understand the significance of shipping container, let's take a quick journey through history. In the world of shipping, one unsung hero often goes unnoticed: the humble shipping container. Back in the day, before these sturdy boxes came along, goods had to be painstakingly packed into sacks, barrels, and wooden crates, then loaded one by one onto cargo vessels. It was a slow and laborious process, and may take up to 3 weeks to unload and load each ship. But thanks to the miraculous invention of the shipping container, today's mammoth container ships can be emptied and filled in just 24 hours. It's a revolutionary change that many fail to grasp, but its impact on global trade is nothing short of extraordinary. It drastically reduced costs and increased efficiency, leading to today's booming global trade. We have to thank the creator of the shipping container, the innovator Malcolm McLean. We shall create another episode to talk about him. Now, let's explore the different types of containers commonly used in shipping. First up, we have dry containers. These are the standard containers you often see stacked on cargo ships. And they come in 3 main sizes: 20 GP, 40 GP, and 40 HC. First, GP stands for general purpose and HC stands for high cube. Dry containers are designed to transport general cargo that doesn't require special temperature or ventilation control. They feature sturdy walls and floors to protect your goods during transit. Dry containers are commonly used for a wide range of goods, such as textiles, electronics, furniture, automotive parts, and consumer packaged goods. They provide a secure and protected environment for these types of cargo. The interior dimension of 20 GP will be 5.89 meters in length, 2.35 meters in width, and 2.39 meters in height. This is the smallest dry container. However, it still carries a payload of up to 28.3 metric tons and has a total capacity of 33.2 cubic meters. If you found the 20 GP container too small, no worries. Still have 40 GP. The interior dimension of 40 GP is 12 meters in length, 2.35 meters in width, and 2.39 meters in height. Although it is much longer than 20 GP, it can only carry a payload of up to 28.8 metric tons. Of course, the volume capacity is 2 times 20 GP, which has a total capacity of 67.7 cubic meters. The main difference between 40 GP and 40 HC is only the height of the containers. The height of 40 HC is 2.69 meters, which is 1 foot higher, and the volume capacity is 76.3 cubic meters. Next, we have refrigerated containers, also known as reefers. They are designed to maintain specific temperature conditions for goods that require temperature control, such as perishable food items or pharmaceuticals. Reefers come in 2 sizes, 20-footer and 40-footer. Refrigerated containers are equipped with cooling systems that regulate the temperature and humidity levels inside the container. All standard reefer containers are built to maintain a temperature between plus 25 degrees Celsius and minus 25 degrees Celsius for chilled and frozen cargo. A certain percentage of the global reefer fleet can also maintain a temperature down to minus 35 degrees Celsius or even lower. This ensures that your sensitive cargo remains fresh and in optimal condition throughout the journey. The interior dimension, payload, and volume capacity are generally smaller than the dry container due to the insulated wall and refrigeration unit. Moving on, we have open-top containers. These containers have no solid roof, making them ideal for cargo that cannot be loaded through the regular doors, such as oversized machinery or heavy equipment. They are also available in 20-foot and 40. Open-top containers feature a removable or convertible top that allows for easy loading and unloading of goods from the top. This can make transporting overheight, oddly shaped, or heavy cargo less hassle, as you aren't restricted to the normal confines of regular shipping containers. You can load your container from the top using an overhead or mobile crane because it's not easy to load the overheight, oddly shaped, or heavy cargo using a forklift. A flat rack container has a simple structure with an open top and collapsible end walls. It consists of a steel frame with a solid floor base, typically made of wood or steel. Flat rack containers come in 20-foot and 40. The absence of side walls and roof provides flexibility for accommodating cargo of various shapes and sizes. It is particularly suitable for carrying heavy machinery, vehicles, construction equipment, large pipes, and other oversized items. Now that we've covered the interior dimensions, volume, and container weights, let's dive into the key features and functions of each container type. Dry containers provide a secure and weatherproof environment for general cargo. They have solid walls, sturdy floors, and double doors for easy loading and unloading. They are suitable for most types of goods that don't require temperature control. Refrigerated containers, or reefers, have advanced cooling systems that allow you to transport perishable goods at specific temperature ranges. They ensure the freshness and quality of temperature-sensitive items throughout the journey. As the name suggests, open-top containers have a removable roof or convertible top. This design facilitates the transportation of oversized or tall cargo that cannot fit through the standard container doors. It provides flexibility for loading and unloading from the top. Flat rack containers offer versatility for transporting oversized or irregularly shaped cargo. Their collapsible sides and absence of a roof allow for easy loading and unloading from the sides. This makes them ideal for machinery, vehicles, or large equipment that cannot fit within standard container dimensions. Now, let's discuss some valuable tips and scenarios to help you choose the correct container for your shipment. Here are a few important considerations. Number 1. Cargo size and weight. Ensure that your cargo fits comfortably within the interior dimensions of the chosen container. Also, consider the weight restrictions to avoid exceeding the maximum load capacity. Number 2. Cargo type and special requirements. Different types of cargo have specific requirements. If you're shipping perishable goods, opt for a refrigerated container. For oversized or tall items, consider open-top or flat rack containers. Understanding your cargo's needs is crucial for selecting the appropriate container. Number 3. Handling and loading equipment. Remember the equipment required to load and unload your cargo. Specialized equipment like cranes or forklifts may be necessary for certain container types. We hope this detailed guide on shipping container types, features, functions, and specifications has been valuable to you as an exporter or importer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave any comments or questions you have. We love hearing from you. Remember to stay tuned for more valuable content on international trade, logistics, and everything you need to know to excel in the world of exports and imports.